Another productivity tool I want to talk about is Class Notebook through OneNote. You can come in and assign students into this classroom notebook. It could be an entire classroom or it could be a small group of students. And within this class notebook, you have a collaboration space where students can come in and work together and type together in information. You have a content library where you can provide them with information that they can't type into, so you could give them some questions or research or some things they need to know about what they have to do. And the last portion is each student has their own page that they can type into that others can't see, but they're able to include information. So this is great for students who have an individual portion of an assignment and then can come in and collaborate and synthesize all their information together. The next tool I want to talk about is through Google. It is called Lucid Diagrams, and I find this to be an excellent way for students to actually come in and make their own, not only flow charts and graphic organizers, but they could go even further and create their own infographics. So I just chose one random one here, and then they could come in and they can edit it and make it say whatever they want, and they could create a ranking system for maybe countries in terms of their economies, or they could put in the steps into mitosis or meiosis, or the steps on how to do something. So there's a lot of different things students could do with this tool. The last tool I looked at in Google was called Jozu, and I like this because you could actually create a rubric, and students would be able to access this rubric on a Google Doc, and they could actually do a self-assessment or maybe even a peer assessment in order to make sure that critically think about their own work and make sure they are meeting all the criteria. Not only providing them feedback, but they give themselves feedback on their own work. And I think that's really big for critical thinking.